Former athlete and TV personality Bruce Gere has revealed that he identifies himself as a woman, his true self and a childhood dream. The 65-year-old star sparked rumors about his gender identity last year after visibly altering his appearance. He confirmed that he is reinventing himself physically in an interview, in a bid to transition from male to female. Speaking in front of an audience, including his socialite stepdaughter Kim Kardashian and her family, Bruce tearfully revealed, "For all intents and purposes, I am a woman. My brain is much more female than it is male. That's what my soul is." Bruce lives a lie. She is not a lie. I can't do it anymore. During the interview, Bruce also admitted that he has been regularly taking female hormones, and plans to completely transform into a woman. However, Bruce added that he still finds himself attracted to females. "I was never attracted to the guys," he told Sawyer, explaining how he has always enjoyed a good sex life. "I am not gay. I am, as far as I know, heterosexual. As far as I know, I've never been with a guy. I've always been married, raising kids," Bruce said. He denied that his revelations were for publicity purposes. Instead, he made them due to his inability to continue to pull the curtain, he said. Indeed, hiding his identity was so painful for Bruce that it once left him contemplating suicide to escape from the never-ending scrutiny, he revealed. Many viewers and celebrities were taking to social media last night to congratulate Bruce on making a giant leap for the transgender community. Meanwhile, Bruce's 17-year-old daughter, Kylie, tweeted an emotional message to her father. "Understandingly, this has been very hard for me. You will hear what I have to say when I'm ready to, but this isn't about me. I'm so proud of you, Dad. You are so brave. My beautiful hero," she wrote.